Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you a fridge clean out as well as a quarantine grocery stockpile. In this clip you're going to notice that I have a lot of unhealthy food items, and that is because I was looking for quick and easy meals that we can have on hand in the pantry or the freezer. I did already stock up on chicken, beef, rice, veggies, and fruit, so a lot of that is not shown right here. We tried to get enough food items to last us about 2 weeks. Our normal diet does not consist of a lot of this food, but we are trying to make things as easy as possible right now. I know a lot of y'all are in the same boat right now, so if you have consumed way too many calories during this quarantine, drop a burger emoji in the comments below. I'm going to start out by checking the dates on the sauce bottles in the door, and if they're expired, I'm going to toss them. The rest I will set aside until I can give the whole fridge a good wipe down. Okay, now I'm just going to pull all of our food out of the fridge. Like this video if you can relate to the chaos of an unorganized fridge. We struggle to keep it neat and organized because it seems like we are always on the go. I thought now would be the perfect time to get it together. So I will be showing you a great way to keep refrigerator items organized toward the end of this video. I've seen a lot of people organize by color, and that makes your fridge look absolutely gorgeous and super organized. But as for my husband and I, the way I'm going to show you is a lot more useful for us as a couple with no kids. So stay tuned until the end of this video to see what I do. Alright, now I'm going to spray down my fridge with the Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle spray that I told you about in my last video. This spray is pretty safe to use around food, so that's what I'm going to do now. I didn't realize how bad my fridge had gotten, and so I'm going to wipe up all of the spills and dust and get it looking super fresh. By the way, sorry about my appearance in this video. My husband finally had a day off, so we took the morning to go walk a river trail. It felt really good to get out of the house and get some fresh air. Now that I have wiped it all down, I'm just going to go through with a paper towel to dry it all off before I put everything back in. Alright, now that I have it all cleaned up, I just need to take a moment to appreciate all of that work because who knows how long we will be able to keep it that way. But now for the fun part. I bought these pretty copper baskets at Walmart for like $3 a piece, and I thought that was an amazing deal, so I couldn't pass them up. You are going to see the process here of how I decided to organize things, but I ended up creating a basket for cheese, a basket for lunch materials, a basket for veggies, and a basket for fruit. This just makes our life a whole lot easier when it comes time to look for an item. So far, we absolutely love it. Don't worry, I am not going to leave these things here. I'm just trying to get everything within reach for the organization process. Alright, as you can see, I'm just going to fill these bottom two baskets with fruit and veggies, and then this basket right above, I'm going to fill it with all of my cheese. So this top corner, I'm kind of making it a place for all of my dairy products. So my half and half, my yogurt, my sour cream, all of that is going to go in the top left-hand corner. Okay, I know I'm not alone here. Who else cracks their eggs and then throws the shells back in the carton? We have become pretty bad about this, and I know it's not very sanitary, but it's just so convenient. I'm going to clear out this carton of all the eggshells and then get them organized. I was pretty indecisive on where to put things, so you're going to see me move things back and forth a few times until I figure out just how I like them. If you have not already tried the Starbucks creamers, you need to. I have the white chocolate mocha and the caramel macchiato, and both of them make your coffee taste exactly like Starbucks. Here I'm just opening up the plastic bag around my broccoli so that it isn't getting suffocated in there. I don't know, is that a thing? Alright, so here is the finished product. I love the way that it turned out, and I'm hoping these baskets keep us organized and not having to search for an item when we come to the fridge. If you enjoyed this video, it would mean so much to me if you would give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more videos just like this. Later this week, I will be uploading a sunrise clean with me routine and you don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!